Hello everyone. In this video we'll go through the new features introduced in ScribePal between versions 1.0 and 1.2. For features introduced in the previous versions, I will add a card link to the video in the top right corner and in the description. Okay then, let's get into it. First of all, I've added the Show Chat shortcut. You can change the default keyboard shortcut by extending the extra settings menu and then press Update button. Now you can open a new ScribePal Chat through your custom keyboard setup. Next, we need to go to Ollama site and select a Vision LLM that supports image interpretation. Now we wait until the download is complete and the new model is displayed in the Select drop-down. As you might have guessed, a new ScribePal feature is the image capture and interpretation with the help of the available selected Vision LLM. You can reference that image in conversation with the help of the @CapturedImage tag. To improve the user experience, I have added a suggestions menu so the user can select by keyboard with the up and down arrows or with the mouse the desired reference he wants to add to the conversation. Another UX improvement is that you can now scroll up and down the conversation while the LLM response prompt is still being updated. To restart following the latest prompt response, you need to press on Scroll to End button. I have added also a copy option for each message. Thanks for following this tutorial. If you found ScribePal helpful, please consider starring my GitHub repository and subscribing to my YouTube channel for more content like this. See you in the next video.